Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn on registration lock on Signal. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Signal app in your device. Then tap on three dots icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on account. Next, you can see the option of registration lock. Turn on it by tapping on it. After that, tap on turn on. So, this is how you can turn on registration lock on Signal. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.